Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide prices unless the customer is logged in on the Dawn theme in Shopify. This feature can be pretty handy if you want to provide a little more exclusivity to your registered customers, or if you simply prefer to encourage visitors to sign up or log in before viewing your product prices. It's also a great way to build your customer base by offering a membership-style experience. By limiting access to prices, you're making it more enticing for customers to create an account and engage with your store. Now let's dive in and walk through this process step by step to make sure you can easily implement this on your Shopify store. First up, you'll want to head over to the code editor of your Shopify site. This is where we have the opportunity to make the necessary adjustments to tailor your store to your specific needs. If you're new to editing code, don't worry, I'll guide you through the steps. Once you're there, you'll need to navigate to the snippets section. This is the area where small chunks of reusable code are stored, and it's where we'll be making our changes today. Snippets are handy because they allow you to make changes across multiple pages without having to go into every single one individually. In the Snippets section, locate the file named prices.liquid. Just open this file up, and in a moment, we'll be ready to modify it to achieve the desired effect of hiding prices for users who aren't logged in. This file controls the display of product prices across your store, so this is exactly where we want to be. Once you have the prices.liquid file open, the next step is to find a specific line of code. You'll be looking for the line that says Money Pop Price, enclosed with double curly brackets. Don't worry, it should be quite prominent and easy to locate. This is the part of the code responsible for displaying the price of the product. Now here's where the magic happens. Delete that line of code. By removing it, we're stopping the price from being displayed to anyone who's not logged in. With it gone, you'll be ready to input the new lines that will check whether a user is logged in before displaying the price. This is where you'll add a condition that verifies whether the customer is logged in before showing the price. For example, you might input a small piece of code that says, if customer is logged in, show price. Else, display a message asking them to log in. Ensure you insert the exact code that we're referencing to ensure everything functions correctly. A small typo or misplaced bracket can prevent this feature from working, so accuracy here is really important. It's always a good idea to double-check your code before saving. If you're the curious type, looking to customize a bit further, you might want to change the default message that will be displayed when a non-logged-in visitor tries to view the price. For instance, instead of just saying, please log in to view prices, you could say something more engaging like, exclusive pricing available for our members. Sign up to unlock. Feel free to modify it, but make sure you place your custom message within that specific section before saving all your changes. Once you're done with these modifications, make sure you click Save. This will ensure that all your hard work doesn't go to waste and all the changes go live on your website right away. By saving your work, you're ensuring that the new functionality will be applied to your store instantly, and visitors who are not logged in will now see your custom message instead of the product price. And that's all there is to it. You've just successfully set up your Shopify store to hide prices unless the customer is logged in using the Dawn theme. It's a simple yet effective way to add a layer of membership benefits or exclusivity to your e-commerce experience. Whether you're running a members-only store or simply want to encourage account creation, this feature is a great way to keep customers engaged with your brand. It's a great step toward making your store feel more personalized and exclusive, which can increase customer loyalty and lifetime value. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. I hope this guide helps you create a more engaging experience for your store visitors, and I wish you the best of luck in enhancing your Shopify site. Happy customizing!